Hey everyone, welcome back to, well, an unexpected video. I wasn't planning on unboxing anything today, and I just happened to get home a little while ago and found this on the counter. I know I had ordered some models like a few days ago off Waffle Collectibles, and then the next thing you know, it's here like 2 days later. Like, I don't even remember checking like the tracking or anything because I'd included some pre-orders in there too. So I had no idea that I was going to get a box today. So I'm just as excited as you guys are probably. So I have no idea, but I'm pretty excited about it. So I guess we should dig right into it. I know that, like, if you guys watched the last video, the LL Dreamliner review, I know that I had said in the last part of the video that I was expecting some stuff coming in, a new model brand that I've never bought before. So that could potentially be in here. So I'm actually really, really excited. The box is like 3 pounds. I know I ordered like 9 models. I'm not sure how many of them are pre-orders that I got. I think like 2 or 3 of them might have been. So there could be like 6 models in here. So I'm like really pumped up about it. So let's go ahead and get right to it. I'm really excited to get this all open and unboxed for you guys. So let's go ahead and do it. Yeah, the ship date was on the 27th of May. That must have been when I put the order in, and then literally 2 days. And I never even paid for 2 days shipping. I paid for priority mail. So I've known, Waffle for a long time, and I've always ordered from him, and I never paid for 2 days shipping. So I wonder if he just sent it 2 day for me. So if that's the case, that was very nice of him to do that for me. So I'm really excited. So let's go ahead and get into this. I've never even got a FedEx box before, so that's kind of cool. So pull to open. I'm probably going to knock my camcorder over by trying to open this thing. So my apologies if that happens. So okay, wow, holy crap, we're in just that easy. All right. And like he always does, he uses the newspaper for the packaging, which is kind of neat. Oh, wow, okay. So the first one we have, what is it going to be? It's like Christmas. All right, so yeah, we have the Sun Country 737-800 made by NG and 1/400 scale. Pretty cool. I'm glad I was able to find one. I think they're sold out a lot of other places, so I'm really glad that I found it. Definitely wanted to add it to the collection with the Tide Pod one that I have as well. So I will set this one over here for now. And for the next one, ooh, it's like a gold box. Oh, this must be it. So this is the Panda model. So this is the newest model manufacturer from my collection. It's the United A319. It was the cheapest model in the bunch. I'm actually going to take this one out because I really kind of want to see what it looks like. Oh, wow. It looks really, really nice. Wow. I usually try not to unbox in my unboxing videos. I know that sounds weird, but wow, look at that. That looks really, really good. Wow. I've never had a Panda model in my life before, but that looks really, really good. Well put together. Wow, really, really cool. So I will try to get that all put back in its box. I just wanted to take a quick look at it just to make sure that it wasn't broken or anything like that. I like the box it comes in too. That's really, really neat. It's almost kind of like Aero Classics. It's got the little thing on the side of it, and it's got the Airbus logo on the front, and that really nice gold trim, which is really kind of neat. So cool, cool. All right, so the next one we have, like I said, I don't even know how many are in here. Like, I have no idea what I'm going to be pulling out of this box. This one feels pretty bulky. Awesome. I've been looking for this one for a long time. The box is pretty mangled up. I don't know if it was a returned item or not, but this is the Stand Up to Cancer A321 and 1/400 scale. I'm really glad to have this one. My aunt's name is on this plane somewhere. She's overcoming cancer, and I actually was upset because I didn't think I was going to get this. So I actually purchased 2 of the Aero Classics ones, so I'm sure I'll probably sell one of those here down the road, but really, really excited about this one. So I'll have to look into that. I'm not sure exactly what the stickers are. I'm $165. And there was another sticker on there somewhere I thought I saw. It was like a $65 sticker. I must be missing it somewhere. I thought I saw it on here. But anyways, yeah, really excited for this one too. Really like that box art as well. So we'll move that off to the side. It's nothing. All right, so we should have 2 more, maybe 2, 3. I have no idea. And we got the Iceland Air 757-200. This one by NG in 1/400 scale, I believe. It doesn't have NG on it, but I'm assuming it is theirs just because the box art looks similar to them, just doesn't have the NG logo on it, so that's pretty cool. I have the 80 Years of Aviation, if that's the correct title, and also, of course, the Heckler Aurora, so that will go good to have just the regular normal livery in my collection as well, and I'm even more happy that it's NG. All right, so the last one that we have, it looks to be, and this is all like I have no idea what any of this is, so the last one in the box is the American 757-200 by NG in 1/400 scale. So everything but that new Panda models is NG, so no Gemini jets in this batch nor any other manufacturers. So really exciting, really unexpected. Had no idea I was even getting a box today, so I ended up looking on my counter and had my name on it. I was like, what is this? Why is this here already? So I still have a good amount of models on the way. 4 of them I did pre-order. I pre-ordered like the Alaska Horizons, the Alaska Horizon, holy moly, the Horizon, I think it's operated by Horizon, oh my god, the livery's not even coming to me, the Honor Those Who Serve, there we go, and some other ones too that I pre-ordered, like the Alaska 737 NG, and then there's got to be a few more in there because I ordered like 9 models from him, so I'm assuming he'll just send the other ones whenever they come in. So really, really cool, really unexpected. So had no idea that I was going to get them this soon, because usually I just tell them, hey, just send them when the pre-orders come in, like I'm in no hurry for them. So really, really cool. Pretty nice haul to get. So I'll probably do some unboxing videos on this in the future. And of course, thanks for tuning in to today's unexpected video. And we'll see you guys soon for another video.